Welcome to this lesson on subject versus object pronouns. Understanding the difference between these two types of pronouns is fundamental to speaking English correctly. Pronouns are words that replace nouns, and they play two distinct roles in every sentence. Let's learn when to use each type. There are two main types of pronouns we need to master. First, we have subject pronouns. These are the doers of the action. They are the ones performing the verb in the sentence. Second, we have object pronouns. These are the receivers of the action. They are the ones being affected by the verb. Understanding this difference is key to using pronouns correctly. Let's look at all the subject pronouns. We have I, you, he, she, it, we, you plural, and they. These are the words that perform actions in sentences. Here's the most important pattern to remember. Subject pronouns always come before the verb. When you use a subject pronoun, place it at the beginning of your sentence, right before the action word. Now let's learn all the object pronouns. We have me, you, him, her, it, us, you plural, and them. These are the words that receive actions in sentences. Here's the key pattern. Object pronouns come after the verb or after a preposition. When someone performs an action on a person or thing, you use an object pronoun to show who or what receives that action. Let's see subject pronouns in real sentences. For example, I run every morning. In this sentence, I is the subject pronoun because I am the one doing the running. Another example, she loves reading books. Here, she is the subject pronoun because she is the one doing the loving. One more, they are playing outside. They is the subject pronoun because they are the ones performing the action of playing. Remember, the subject pronoun does the action. Now let's see object pronouns in real sentences. Example 1, help me with this task. Here, me is the object pronoun because I am receiving the help. Example 2, she called him yesterday. Here, him is the object pronoun because he is receiving the call. Example 3, give them the answer. Here, them is the object pronoun because they are receiving the answer. Remember, the object pronoun receives the action. Let's compare subject and object pronouns side by side. Subject pronouns have three key characteristics. They come before the verb, they perform the action, and examples include sentences like I walk or she runs. Object pronouns also have three key characteristics. They come after the verb, they receive the action, and examples include help me or call her. The position in the sentence is your biggest clue to knowing which pronoun to use. Here are the most important things to remember from this lesson. Subject pronouns perform the action in a sentence. Object pronouns receive the action in a sentence. Position matters. The location of the pronoun tells you which type it is. Finally, practice with real sentences every day. The more you use these patterns in speaking and writing, the more natural they will become. Master these rules and you will use pronouns correctly every single time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.